God's World Through My Window, adapted from Reflections by the Reverend Hilary Bond. My name is Linda Thomas from St Helens, Wheatamstead. During Lent, we are looking out at the wonderful world God created. You may be able to go out, you may only be able to look through a window, but you can still connect with creation. Take a few minutes to stop, to look, and to appreciate our natural world and all its wonders. Week 3. Birds. Have a look and see if you can see any birds from your window, perhaps on a bird feeder or flying over. If you can, stay and watch for a while. Birds are everywhere, whether you live in the country or a city. You don't usually have to watch for long before one flies over, going freely where it pleases, or drops in to look for food. And they can be noisy. Some chatter all the time. One call when they're flying, another when they're looking for a mate, and yet another when they sense danger. It is said that listening to birdsong can reduce stress. Perhaps you could open your window for a minute and see what you can hear and how it makes you feel. Or find some birdsong on the internet. Close your eyes and relax. Something to think about. How do you feel when you watch the birds? Is there anything that you need to be free from? What helps you to relax? And a short prayer to finish. Creator God, thank you that we can watch the birds fly free wherever we are. Help us to think about things that free us and give us peace. Amen.